Guys, we got the Reboot set up here on the table. We got it unboxed that you seen from that little time lapse we just had. I'm going to get all this stuff set out here on the workbench here so y'all can see what all this unit comes with before we start assembling.
The air hose fitting might come with it, and the tape, everything you need. So you want to put your gauge here. On the inside, you want to put your compressor quick connect. And then the water side on this side, you want to tape everything up. Then, what you do is you take off these two small little bitty nuts here. The washers. Slide this bracket on. The washers bracket on. And then your nuts. Same on that side. Oh, this ring come off the top, right here. Take that off. Slide the unit in. Put your ring back on. Like so. You're not going to need all this line with this when you put this air hose here. So you're just going to measure. Slide that around here. All you need is a piece from here. Run down to here. So we'll cut right here. So all this hose, we're using that much of it. Whatever. It works. So what you want to do is you want to put your 2 clamps on here. Slide that on that barb fitting on the bottom. And you'll clamp that there. See if I need to. Like so. Perfecto. Put that boy all around there. You just take a Phillips screwdriver. Tighten the bad boys up.
That is insane. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But I basically put kind of a hole. I can't really see what I'm doing. I need to figure out a better way to. But that blew right through that. Look at that. That's some thick stuff. And there ain't any, like, really any slag at all. Look at that. That's on 110. Imagine this thing on